Hi everyone, we're on a Ford Kuga. Just a bit of a warning for everyone who's got one. This car is supposed to have 5.2, if I remember correctly, or 5.6 litres of oil. We've just drained, that's well over 5, it's almost 6 litres, and that's 3.5, so we had almost 9 litres of oil. Was coming up with engine faults and change oil. So if you get that message, it's basically when you do a regen and the DPF regen doesn't finish off, diesel ends up in oil and dilutes it. So this oil that we drained is basically 40% diesel, so it hasn't got the properties to lubricate the engine. So be careful with that, because that can physically kill the engine, and it's going to go through the oil breather and it's going to destroy your turbo and block your DPF and all sorts. So just to warn you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and I shall see you on the next one.